Welcome back to Ultimate Luxury Cars. In this video, we are going to take an in-depth look at the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Is a lightweight, two-seater sports car known for its balanced handling, rear-wheel drive layout, and open-top driving experience. Designed with a focus on simplicity and driver engagement, it features a compact body, responsive steering, and a spirited four-cylinder engine. Its minimalist design and low center of gravity contribute to precise cornering and a connected feel on the road. With a reputation for reliability and affordability, the MX-5 has become a symbol of pure driving enjoyment, often praised for delivering a classic sports car experience in a modern, accessible package. The MX-5 Miata features a sleek, low-slung profile that emphasizes agility and sportiness. Sculpted body lines run from the front to the rear, enhancing aerodynamic efficiency and visual flow. The front fascia is defined by sharp, aggressive headlights and a wide grille that give it a bold, dynamic appearance. Slim, angular LED headlights and taillights provide a modern and precise look. Daytime running lights are integrated for better visibility and a striking presence. Soft top, manual, lightweight fabric top that can be easily opened or closed. RF, retractable fastback, power folding hardtop that transforms the car from coupe to open top in seconds. Sporty alloy wheels typically range from 16 to 17 inches depending on the trim. Low-profile performance tires enhance grip and handling, offered in a range of vibrant and premium paint finishes, often including signature red or metallic tones. Blacked out or chrome accents on mirrors, door handles, and trim vary by model or special edition. A tight, driver-focused cockpit with a minimalistic yet refined design. Everything is ergonomically positioned to enhance the connection between driver and car. A mix of soft-touch materials, leather, on higher trims, and quality plastics. Premium models may include contrast stitching, aluminum accents, and leather-wrapped steering wheels. 2 seats, low-slung and sporty with excellent lateral support for spirited driving. Options include cloth, synthetic leather, or full leather upholstery. Heated seats are available in upper trims for added comfort. Central infotainment system with a rotary controller, not touchscreen while driving for safety. Typically includes features like Bluetooth connectivity, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, navigation, on select trims, premium audio system, like Bose on higher trims, simple analog gauges with a large central tachometer, multifunction steering wheel with audio, cruise, and phone controls, climate control system with rotary knobs for ease of use, limited but usable storage, small glove box, door pockets, and center console bins. Trunk space is compact, suited for light luggage or weekend bags. Cup holders are removable or repositionable to maximize interior space. The Mazda MX-5 Miata's interior and exterior are both thoughtfully designed to deliver a pure, enjoyable driving experience, combining classic roadster elements with modern amenities and style. Sport, soft-top, manual, $29,330. Club, soft-top, manual, $32,830. Grand Touring, soft-top, manual, $34,630. Grand Touring, soft-top, automatic, $35,550. Club, RF retractable hardtop, manual, $40,650. Grand Touring, RF, manual, $37,350. Grand Touring, RF, automatic, $38,320. 35th Anniversary Edition, soft-top, manual, $36,250. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and press the bell icon button.